I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Tony Atti. He is co-founder and CEO at Phononic. Tony, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Delighted to be here on the floor.
Great to have you here on the
Thank
floor.
you.
Now, looking forward to chatting, but before we do that, just a quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Tony, tell me, what is Phononic? Tell me about the company and
Sure.
the technology solutions you've created.
Through the power of semiconductor innovation, we are globally transforming sustainably cooling and refrigeration.
Okay, so now tell me, why is this technology needed in the cold chain fulfillment and grocery industry?
Well, over the last 18 to 24 months, the explosive growth in e-commerce purchasing has created a huge dilemma for retail, warehouse, grocery distribution, and last mile transport when it comes to the protection of cold or frozen items. They constantly misuse or missize the warehousing space that they need. On one hand, using a very small percentage of it, on the other hand, needing more of it, but at the same time, refrigerating or freezing what is often dead space. Through Phononic solutions, both combinations of hardware cooling, but also software and IoT data transmission, we're able to liberalize that cold chain where they can use it where they need it and avoid complex solutions like mechanical cooling, dry ice, gel packs, or even frozen water bottles that are protecting your ice cream or your perishable items.
Okay. All right, so tell me, how are you addressing sustainability challenges in the delivery stage of food logistics?
Probably one of the most powerful parts of our platform is, in addition to the semiconductor component that provides the cooling, our system completely eliminates any toxic refrigerants that conventionally add to CO2 and global warming. So right there, the platform itself is fundamentally sustainable and also energy efficient. The second piece is you only use the cooling when you need it. We can detect where we are in the system, when food and perishable items have been added, and we can tune and turn the hardware solutions on or off as needed.
All right, so tell me, what's next?
Well, we are really excited about a licensing platform. The dilemma for Phononic is we want to cool everything, but there's sometimes limits as to how you must focus. So later this year, we're going to announce a major partnership in HVAC where we'll have the single largest solid state heating and cooling solution of its kind in a commercial building later this year.
All right, well, sounds like you'll have to come back. We have more to talk about.
Would be delighted to.
Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Pleasure.